Just what is Kiharu MP Ndindi Nyoro up to, politically speaking? Well, the second-term MP yesterday ditched the ruling UDA party and joined opposition party People's Party of Kenya, signaling where his political future is. The move has elicited mixed reactions, with Rigathi Gachagua's DCP party likening it to a small wheelbarrow, meaning President William Ruto's political project to divide the Mount Kenya vote, while political commentators say the two-term MP has outperformed colleagues in managing CDF resources. They are quick to say it will be a tall order for Nyoro to steer a national political party. Alano Chanda reports.
A month ago, Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro announced he was taking a 30 days break, and when the period lapsed, he emerged with a new political vehicle after severing ties with the ruling UDA party.
Mimi kama Ndindi Nyoro na wafuasi wangu kutoka leo nimeingia chama inaitwa People's Party of Kenya.
But even before the party takes off, the Democracy for Citizens Party has flagged it, terming it as a special purpose vehicle for President William Ruto. DCP says Nyoro's PPK party is being packaged as a Mount Kenya outfit with the sole intention to act as a refuge for Ruto's allies and thus split the mountain vote.
These wheelbarrows that are coming up, all of them, we know them. First, we knew they are coming, and we know the others that are coming. We saw one that was launched yesterday, and we were waiting for it because we had been told that there's a wheelbarrow that is coming from Muranga. We knew that it was coming. So does not come to us as a surprise that you have a new wheelbarrow. We actually know that there is another wheelbarrow that is coming. We know that there is a wheelbarrow that is being prepared in Laikipia. I think in Dionaika Mugu. We know there is another wheelbarrow that is being prepared from Nakuru, and many other wheelbarrows that are coming.
Nyoro has spectacularly led his Kiharu constituency, which he banks on as the yardstick for his capacity, even as political observers argue managing a constituency isn't same as heading a political party.
Being able to do development is one thing. Having a political acumen and getting a national platform is totally another thing. Politics is a little bit more. Who are your friends? What are the issues you have? How are you propagating those issues? How are you endearing yourself to the people?
Nyoro's fence-sitting that earned him the Ruto Mall tag began during the impeachment process of Rigathi Gachagua. His critics have cited the contentious finance bill debate. Nyoro cut a figure of an informed legislator, sensitizing the masses on all media platforms, only to vanish during voting times.
The major challenge will now be, is he able to really shed off this? And that will be determined by the vehicle he builds and the passengers he's going to actually bring on board. That is very key going forward.
He's maybe trying to say that he's big enough not to just walk into somebody's house, but also to go there with an outfit that makes him be taken seriously.
Nyoro is wading into an already flooded pool of political parties that have already registered their discomfort with the domineering nature of Gachagua. Although Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro has prudently administered CDF resources in his constituency for close to a decade, earning himself accolades across the political divide, his PPK party is already encountering turbulence at takeoff, struggling to shed off the tag of a Trojan horse of President William Ruto in the Mount Kenya region. Alano Chanda, KTN, Nairobi.